Okay, we're going to do this for the state of Alaska. How to claim unclaimed funds or properties through the state of Alaska. So I'm going to use my last name, D-U-R-A-N-D. First name, I'm going to use, well, let's see. Well, let's just go with my last name. It's going to search. It's going to take a couple seconds, and it's going to pull you up any information with my last name. Be interesting to see. Oh, there's quite a few Durans. Cook, Duran, Cook, Duran, 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 Duran. All right, here's something very, very interesting. Larry Duran, who is my brother, through another brother, so he's actually my cousin, and he's lived in Anchorage, Alaska, where a long time ago, but he does not live there now. So as you can see, he has 1, 2, 3 claims so far in this page. So he claimed these, claimed these. Then let's go to the next page, because it's going to save you time. It's going to add them all into like your shopping cart. Robert Durand, Anchorage, Alaska. Oh, Tabitha Linda. Let's check the last two. Let's see if we find Larry or Lawrence. Linda. Nope. All right. Nope. So then we hit continue to file claim. Now after each one, he has 3. So he could possibly have $300 just sitting there. You go over, and if you're doing it with him, I would have him check owner for all of them. Okay? And then we hit file a claim. Now this is the page that you're going to fill out with all the critical information they need in order for you to be determined to be owed this money. So you'll do, you're the individual, your last name, first name, middle, your date of birth, email address must be a current email address going to you. Type it in to confirm it. Home phone number. Obviously, most people use cell phones, so give the correct current cell phone number. If you do have another number, include that. Include your tax ID number or your social security number. Country is United States. Put the first address, the current one you're living at. Then put the next state or address of a city, hopefully in the same city, but put the correct address of where you currently live now. Fill this out, Alaska zip code, then you can click a code. How did you hear about us? This Heather. And if I click claim, if I click next, it's going to give me all the red boxes because I'm not going to fill it out, because then that would actually take the claim away from Larry. So I will actually get a hold of my cousin, and I will tell him he has 3 claims to be sitting here. Once you've claimed those items, you will receive an email, a confirmation email that will give you a claim number for each one of the properties. So for each one of the amounts of $50 to $100, you will receive a claim number for each different one. They will also provide you a list of the documentation you need to upload to satisfy their requirements and prove that you, in fact, are this owner. And finally, within that email, there will be a link to upload all your documentation that you need. So take the time, upload it, and you're probably going to wait about 60 to 90 days. So once you get your check, take a picture of yourself with the check and send it to me so I can add this to my continuous book on helping people find money.